I will talk about combination of functions, advanced that topic from objective 3. So two function, suppose that the function f and g are defined as follows. Find f minus g and f divided by g, then give their domain in interval notation. So let's find f minus g. So we will just write function f 5x minus 2 minus the g is the square root of 4x minus 3. So that will be answer for f minus g. They didn't ask any simplification or anything. Then if we do f divided by g, f over g is 5x minus 2 divided by square root of 4x minus 3. Okay. Now we'll look at the domain. So if we look at domain for the subtraction one, the square root of 4x minus 3 is under the radical square root, so it cannot be negative. So the condition we get for, so domain for f minus g, the condition will be 4x minus 3 has to be bigger or equal to 0. So then we'll add 3 both sides. We have 4x bigger or equal to 3, then we divide both sides by 4. So x has to be bigger than 3/4. So now bigger or equal to, so 3/4 is included. So if this is 3/4, we can see that it has equal sign, means 3/4 is included, therefore it is bracket. And it says bigger than, so we are talking about right side up to infinity. So if we write in interval notation this domain, so the answer will be bracket 3/4 comma infinity. Now when we have the division, domain for f divided by g, in that case the square root is in the denominator, so it cannot be equal to 0 anymore. So the condition for domain of this will be 4x minus 3 has to be bigger than 0. It cannot be equal to 0. So x has to be bigger than 3/4. Means if this is the number line and this is 3/4, bigger cannot be equal to, means it is not included, so it will be parenthesis and infinity is parenthesis. So the domain of this one will be parenthesis 3/4 comma infinity. Let's look at another example. So first let's look at the operation. We are doing f times g when two functions f and g are defined as follows, and also f minus g. So we are looking for multiplication and subtraction. So let's do the multiplication. So f times g. So f is the square root of 3x minus 5 times g is negative 2x squared plus 1. So that will be f times g. And if we are looking for domain of f times g, the condition will be 3x minus 5 has to be bigger or equal to 0. So we'll add 5 both sides, so 3x is to be bigger or equal to 5. Then we will divide both sides by 3, so x has to be bigger or equal to 5/3. Now if this is 5/3, it can be equal to, therefore this will be bracket, and it's bigger than, so we are talking about the right side up to infinity. So the answer for domain for f times g is 5/3 comma infinity. Now let's look at subtraction. F minus g, if we are doing this one, so function f is 3x minus 5, then minus g is negative 2x squared plus 1. So there is nothing to simplify, just can distribute the negative 1. Now we will find the domain of that, and again the condition is same like the last one. 3x minus 5 has to be bigger or equal to 0, so x has to be bigger or equal to 5 over 3. So the answer will be same as this one. Hope this helps. Thank you.